ಸಂಘಗಳ ಸಂಘಟನಾ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಾಗೂ 2024ರಿಂದ 2026ವರೆಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಸೂಚಿ ರೋಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಉದ್ಯಮದ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಏನು ಯಾತ್ರಿಕರಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ತಾವು
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಟೂರಿಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಥ ಕಡೆ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸು ತೆಗೆದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಬೆಲ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ನ ತೆಗಿಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಉದ್ದಿಮೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಟೂರಿಸಮ್ ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯವರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ.
The state Karnataka State Hotel Association organized state level district convention. It's not a convention, it is one evening program, it's kind of event. For this event, we gathered here to showcase our association, and we are joined here for the better connectivity with the small, mid and high-end hotel. Simultaneously, we are submitted our memorandum for the government to develop our business. See, hotel here, they do their business at their home. They don't want any trouble from any department, right? Just we need support from the government to run our business. That's all. Here and small issues comes here and there, but frequently it is a continuous ongoing process. It's not one time.
Karnataka Hotel Association President Mr. G.K. Setti, a very nice person. Is a heartily congratulations to Mr. G.K. Setti. I am Mr. R.V. Swami, Mr. Andhra Pradesh Hotel Association President. Thank you for Setti. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I am Ritesh Gambhire. I am from Ingritorium. Basically we are into bakery premixes to all premium properties and airport. So I was invited here for Karnataka Food Association for this meet, and this was so good. We all have been enjoyed this conference and all. We have dignitaries, I have met a lot of the peoples, and so basically this event was so successful. Thank you.